Good morning, children. We studied the forms of energy in the last period. Therein, in forms of energy, you studied about the mechanical energy, and you know that mechanical energy is of two types, kinetic energy and the potential energy. Kinetic energy gives motion to the object to do its work, while potential energy is stored in an object. Now, before studying some other more forms of energy, we will see one important thought. Children, keep in mind that these thoughts are giving you the energy to react, to behave properly. It is giving you the inspiration for moving to the right direction. Okay? Listen now. It's going to be hard, but hard doesn't mean impossible. In this pandemic situation, going through this virtual education really is very hard. You so small children has to study or gain the knowledge by only using this mobile or the laptop, which is very hard for you. But it is not impossible. You children are working hard. You children are concentrating on these videos and trying to gain knowledge. It was seen by your copies also. Many of the students had submitted the copy. Children, I wish to tell you that very few copies are from Moon section submitted, while from Star, though the number of copies are more, there are 6 to 8 students who has not submitted the copy. And from Sun also, 18 students are there who has not submitted the copy. So please submit your copy, and that is not for us. It is only for you. Once you will go through the writing work, you will try to understand that topic also. So, though it is hard but not impossible, so follow this phrase, utilize in your life and do the hard work. Finally, the success is with you. Okay? Next form of energy is the heat energy. You know that we need the heat for doing different work. Okay? We know that heat and energy are the related terms. Work and energy are the related terms. One of that energy is the heat energy. Heat is produced by burning fuel. Okay? So, not only by burning fuel heat is produced, we can get the heat from the sun also. Okay? So, burning fuel, you know that gas, wood, we are burning to get the heat. Earth receives the heat from the sun in proper quantities. Okay? Heat is giving, it is obtained from the sun. We are now, you know that, using number of devices wherein heat energy is utilized from the sun. You know that solar panels are there, then solar cooker is there, or in solar cells are there, wherein instead of using some more other forms of energy, we are utilizing the energy obtained from the sun. That sun energy is helping us to maintain the atmospheric temperature, because of which the living world is maintained, balanced. Okay? So such a heat form of energy is very, very important for us. We are getting the sunlight. Sun is giving us heat and light, and that sunlight is warm in the summer season. Okay? In every season, sunlight is providing us the heat. You know that a common example, see, come to the second example shown in the book. Lens is shown, paper is there. When you held that lens in the sunlight and Below that, if you keep the paper, you know that solar energy get converged at one point in this convex lens, and the heat is passed on the paper, the paper burns. Okay, it means though we can stand in the sunlight, but when that energy is collected together, at that time what happens? The tremendous amount of energy is obtained and the paper can burn. Heat is also produced by burning of fuel, diesel. Then for gas, LPG gas that we are using, wood, they are producing the heat energy for performing our different activities. Okay, children, keep in mind the unit of heat is calorie. Are you clear? Unit of heat is calorie. We measure the heat in calorie. If more heat is required, therein we use the unit kilocalorie. Okay.